Welcome to AI Expert Reviews, your go-to place for discovering the latest in AI-powered tools and technology. In today's video, we'll be exploring a fantastic tool called Tripo3D AI, which can convert your 2D images into stunning 3D models in just seconds. Whether you're a designer, a hobbyist, or just curious about 3D modeling, this tool is a game changer. So let's dive right in and see how you can turn your flat images into impressive 3D creations in no time. Here's how to get started. First, go to the Tripo3D AI website. Once you're on the website, you'll find an option to upload your image. Now select and upload your preferred image, JPEG, PNG. Make sure the image is clear and high resolution so that the 3D model turns out well. After uploading the image, Tripo3D AI will convert it into a 3D model in just a few seconds. The process is so simple and fast, you won't believe it. Once the 3D model is ready, you'll be given an option to download it. You can download it in .obj or .stl format or any desired, which will be useful for 3D printing or any other 3D application. The basic use of this tool is completely free, but if you need some advanced features, you might need to opt for a paid plan. If your image is clear and of high quality, the 3D model will turn out amazing. It's better to use an image with a single object, as complex images may take a little longer to process. So that's it. You can now easily turn your 2D images into 3D models. Try it out and use it in your creative projects. Subscribe to our channel, AI Experts Review, for more valuable videos.